So you start down in a push-up position, and you're in pretty tight here. So you start by pushing up, and as you start to push up, you start walking your feet up. Hands come in at the same time until you're all the way in. And you're going to walk it back down. And then you bring yourself back down to the floor. So if you're looking at me like I'm crazy, then there's a way to start this that's not going all the way up into the handstand. That takes a lot of time to develop, and I've been doing this kind of stuff for years. So where I want you to start off is in that push-up position, just bringing your feet up a little bit. So we're going to start here again, laying all the way down on the floor, using a straight body, so straight line from your shoulders all the way down to your ankles. Push yourself up and just start seeing if you can push your feet, try to climb up just a little bit, okay? So you can try that a couple times, and what you'll find is there's a lot of shoulder movement involved with these handstand wall climbs. So you're going to be moving back and forth with it all the way down. The thing you're going to start to do is walk your feet. The other thing you can do is start by walking your hands. So if you push up, then you can walk your hands in while keeping your feet down. And that gives you an idea of the movement with your hands. So over time, you're going to build your strength to where you can climb all the way up and all the way back down. But it's great to start by just inching your feet up a little bit and back down. So those are handstand wall climbs. Okay, so the closer your body is to the wall, the more challenging it'll be there. And if you ever get in trouble, you can roll forward out of it. Just make sure you tuck your head as you do that roll. And that's the old gymnastics teacher in me coming out. So you can do a full wall walk, like a handstand wall walk, or if you don't want to do the whole tight body and get into it that way, you can start with a squat. Hands are kind of close. Bring your feet back, and then literally walk your feet up the wall. Then walk your hands into the wall as close as you can.